Sending random emails to your old customers won't work. You need a plan. Here's the exact 30-day reactivation sequence I use to turn dead lists into thousands in revenue. You know you need to email your dormant list, but you don't know where to start. How many emails should you send? What should you say in each of these emails? How far apart should they be? So you don't send just one generic email, get no responses, and then give up. Or you send 10 emails in a row and annoy everyone. Neither of these work. What you need is a structured plan, a sequence that warms up people, builds trust, and then convert them into buyers. And it needs to be simple enough that you can actually execute on it. Here's exactly how to do it. I'm Tony. I help small business owners turn their dead email list into thousands in revenue. And most people don't even realize how much money is sitting in there. Okay, here's the framework. 5 emails over 30 days. Each email has a specific job. So email 1 is day 1, re-engagement. The goal is to remind them who you are and provide value. No sales pitch. Email 2, day 7 is going to be the proof. Show them a case study or a success story. You want to build credibility. Email 3 is going to be day 14, the offer. This is where you make your pitch. Clear, direct, time-bound. Email 4 is going to be day 21, and this urgency. Remind that the offer is expiring soon. Email 5, day 28, last chance. Find a push before the deadline. That is the structure. Now, let me break it down in each email in detail. Email 1 goes out on day 1. This is your re-engagement email, and the goal is simple. Remind them who you are. You got to provide some type of value. Get them to open and read. Here are some subject line examples. It's been a while. Quick update for you. Thought you find this helpful. Keep it casual, not salesy. The body should be short, between maybe 2 to 3 paragraph max. Start by acknowledging the gap. Hey, name, I noticed it's been a few months since we last connected. Then you want to provide the value. A tip, a resource, an update on something that's relevant to them. Something like, I wanted to share something that's been helping my clients save 20% on problem, right? Then a soft close. Hope this helps. I'll be sharing more tips over the next few weeks. So no call to action yet. No asking for sales yet. Just value. What you're doing here is warming them up, reminding them that you exist, showing them that you're still thinking about their success, not just yourself. If they open this email, great. You re-engage them. If they don't, that's fine. You got 4 more chances doing the email sequence. Email 2 goes on day 7. This is your proof email. The goal is to show them what's possible. So subject line examples could be like, how company name increased revenue by 30%, or case study, 15K in 90 days, or real results from a client just like you. And then the body is going to be like a short case study. Problem, solution, and then result, right? Keep it between 300 words or less. So start with the problem. Company was struggling with the specific issue, and then the solution, right? We implement the specific strategy/solution, and then the result. In 90 days, they saw specific outcome, and then end with a call to action. If you're dealing with something similar, let's have a chat. Still, not a hard sell. You're just planting the seed. Now, email 3, it goes out on day 14. This is going to be your offer pitch. This is where you kind of pitch it, right? Subject line examples could be exclusive offer for past customers, special deals just for you, limited time, 20% off. The body should be direct. State the offer clearly. We're running a special promotion for people like you who showed interest before. 20% off if you sign up by this date. List what's included, maybe 3 to 5 bullet points max. Then a clear call to action. Reply yes if you're interested, or click here to claim your discount. Make it easy, one setup, and make sure there's a deadline. Deadline as in offer expires in 7 days. Urgency matters. If there's no reason to act now, they're not going to act at all. Email 4 goes out on day 21. This is your urgency email. The goal is to remind people the deadline is coming. So subject line examples include 3 days left. Offers expires soon. Do not miss out. The body should be short, 2 to 3 sentences, as in, hey name, just a quick reminder that the 20% discount is going to expire in 3 days. If you've been thinking about it, now is the time. Link. That's it. No need to resell the offer. Just remind the clock is ticking. Now, email 5, it goes out on day 28. This is sort of your last chance type of email. Subject lines could be like, final call, or offer expires tonight, or last chance. The body is even shorter. This is the last email before the offer expires tonight at midnight. If you want in, here is the link. Then you include the link, and then done. This email always performs the best. People procrastinate. They need that final push, that final path. And when they know it's truly the last chance, they're going to act. So after email 5, you're basically done. Don't keep chasing them. If they don't respond after 5 emails in over 30 days, they're not interested. Just let it go. Put them on a quarterly nurture list and then try again in 90 days. Now let's talk about tracking. You need to know what's working. For each email, track those metrics. You want to track open rates. You need to track click-through rates. You need to track reply rates. And then most importantly, the conversion rate. You got to use unique links for each email so that you know which one drove the sale. UTM parameters, promo codes, whatever works for your system. Here's what good numbers look like. Email 1, expect 15 to 25% open rate. These people haven't heard from you in a while, so don't expect amazing results. Now, email 2, expect 20 to 30% open rate. The people who opened email 1 are now warmed up. Email 3, expect maybe a 25% to a 35% open rate. This is your offer email, so people who are interested will open. Email 4, expect 20 to 25% open rate. Some people will ignore urgency emails. Email 5, expect 30 to 40 open rate. Last chance emails always perform the best. For conversion, expect a 2 to 5% in your total list to buy. So if you have 500 contacts, 10 to 25 sales. At $500 per sale, that's $5,000 to $12,500. Not bad for 5 emails. What happens after day 30? The people who bought goes into your active customer list. Email them regularly, nurture that relationship, sell to them again in the future. The people who engage but didn't buy go into a nurture sequence. Email them once a month with valuable content. They're warm, not just ready yet. The people who didn't engage at all can go into a quarterly reactivation list. So try again in 90 days. And the people who unsubscribe, just let them go. We don't worry about them no more. They did you a favor by cleaning your list. That's the full 30-day plan. 5 emails, clear structure, easy to execute. There's no guessing, no winging it. Just follow the system. I'm Tony. If you want to learn more about how to get more revenue from your old email list, check out my next video on the end screen right here.